circle lang yung lake. Hello guys! Welcome to our channel. Punta kami ngayon sa Den Hills Lake. After 4 months na hindi kami nakapunta doon because of pandemic. Lagi kami pumupunta doon kasi nag-feed kami ng ducks. Ayun, may dala kami sandwich para sa ducks kasi gusto nila yung bread. Ayan, let's go. Malapit lang dito sa amin, mga 10 minutes ride lang to get there. Okay? Let's go guys. Pasya tayo dun. Itutour ko kayo sa isang lake. Yung paborito na puntahan namin. Ayan, naka-mask kami lahat. Kasi mandatory dito ang mask. Kasi bumabalik na naman yung cases ng virus. Oh, we're waiting for the bread.
Oh my God, there he are.
Waiting for it.
Hello.
Remember
Hello everybody.
when we were small? Remember?
Yes. Oh,
Look at him.
RD?
Yeah. They're grown up.
Wow. Just give it
And we bread them.
give them the bread. Ay, they're waiting. Hello everyone. Huh? Here.
Look.
Hello. Sexy.
Come on.
How do you open this?
I'm waiting patient. 1, 2, 3.
Very long.
Di mo. Gisiun?
Somebody's coming. Somebody.
This is fun.
Here.
Oh my
Here
God,
guys.
I'm gonna get
How are you doing? Are you okay? Are you alright? Are you all alright? Hmm? How are you doing? How about you?
oh my God, this is crazy.
Hmm? I miss you all. I miss you all. Hey, you're growing now. Last time, my God, you're so little. Little one. Very, 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 very cute. Hmm. Hello. Hello.
You're not doing it. Oh,
Here. Oh, that's a big one.
oh my God.
Oh.
Well, he's a big daddy. He's a daddy one.
Hmm. Hello. Hmm? Have you missed us? Hmm? Hmm. Here.
Hi.
Oh, the swan is coming.
Eh?
Swan is coming.
Yeah. Give him
Oh
some.
my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Hmm.
Hi, Red. Stew.
Oh my God, oh my God.
Here, get me a slice of bread.
You here? Oh. The Queen of Lake, Swan. Hello, how are you doing? Hello. Nice to see you again. Ira, can I have some bread eye for the Queen of Lake? Hello. Very bright color. Hi. Hello. Hello. Me the ducks. dolphins. Another swan there. Okay. James Hill Lake. Ganda, no? Very nature.
That's so creepy. Me, the ducks we go.
Let's go. We go that way, ay. See you later. Hmm?
Okay.
Ang dami doon, no? Dami nila. Klase-klase yung mga ducks, geese, swan. Fishing allowed here, right?
Fishing allowed here.
Unless you get
You have to have a
permit.
license.
You have license or
I don't
permit.
have my driving license. I'm only 12.
That's not driving license, fishing. License for fishing.
license.
Napakalinaw, very
Did
clear.
you get all them
water.
geese, man?
Yes, my love. I did my best, but I guess things are good.
I saw a fish dead.
Did you?
Small one.
Every Sunday may ano dito, may boating. May mga boats dun sa ano.
Is that everyone?
Every Sunday.
It's
Remember? We had before.
it's Monday today.
Yeah, it's Monday today.
I didn't have socks on then. Because it's warm.
Pero parang wala ata ngayon sa panahon ngayon kasi may COVID.
So, the sun is here.
The
Pero
sun
pag
is out,
back to normal
skies
na,
are blue. There's nothing
may
more
boat na, may
than I
boating na
can
every
do,
Sunday dito.
But it's raining. Raining in my
Nakaabang lang diyan sa ano, doon sa mga,
oh,
doon sa
misery,
mga ducks na
misery.
pinifeed namin doon. Doon yung boat nakaabang.
Gonna become
Ano lang siya,
of me?
donation lang.
I ask myself,
Isasakay ka tapos iraround ka. Iraround ka ng ano, ng buong lake.
Let's walk. What the? That's a small bird, Dad.
oh yeah,
It's a very small bird. Very small.
the sea sees me.
Hindi tulad nung
Come up,
isang lake na pinuntahan namin, hindi allowed yung fishing doon. Kahit may permit ka pa. Pero dito, allowed ang fishing dito. Pag may permit ka.
Dad.
May may nag-overnight
That one,
dito.
that one.
Nag-fishing sila, nag-overnight dito. Naglalagay sila ng tent dito.
Ew, poop.
Ayan, nag-fishing sila. Mga malalaki yung nakuha nila.
Ew.
Mga malalaki. Tapos yung iba, binabalik din nila sa tubig. Just for fun lang ata yung ginagawa nila. Binabalik din nila sa tubig yung iba. Ay, ang ganda dito. Ito yung favorite lake na gusto kong puntahan lagi. Kasi ano, nakakapag-feed tayo ng ducks. Mga geese, swan. Ayun, may service dun. Nag-fishing sila. Fishing. Ng tubig, oh. Linaw ng tubig talaga. Hmm? One thing I like about these lakes is plenty seats.
That's good.
Another set, my love. And ano siya? More bigger, more room. Hindi siya masikip. You know? Wow.
You know you can go jogging here, guys. It's raining.
Mga 10 minutes ride lang ata ito from our house. It's a Den Hills Lake in memory of.
Remember Rosie
Yeah.
Rowan? 18741.
Rowan is a Mr. Ben.
Danish show.
Mr. Ben's real name. I mean,
Dane show. What's that?
Mr. Ben's.
Lake.
My love. Doon tayo nagfi-feed ng mga ducks. Lapit na tayong umabot sa ano talaga, sa entrance ng lake. Mga ano na lang, 10 minutes or 15 minutes na lang tayo. Darating na tayo doon. Babalik na tayo sa pinanggalingan natin. Just have a look. Just a quick, my love. Just quick look. Ay, andun. Meron pala doon mga benches, mga upuan. Doon nagpipiknik, doon sila kumakain ng mga baon nila. Doon, no? Doon pala sila yun, may mga benches doon. Ayan, no? May mga benches, ayan. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na may mga benches pala dyan. May mga bench dito, mga lingkuranan. Mga benches like same as that.
Oh well. Let's go. Chris is waiting there.
Ito na. Ito na naman sila. Hello! You all guys grown up. Hello again. I told you, see you later. I'm here. We're here. Welcome back. We're back. Hello. Oh, there's a little one eye. Look. Oh. Dami nila. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Hi there. Hello there. No more bread. You ate all bread. Ayan. Yun yung nilibot natin mula doon, mula doon sa way na yan hanggang doon, hanggang napunta tayo pabalik. Ayan. Si-circle lang yung lake. Okay, we'll go now. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, ducks, geese. Where's the swan? Oh, the swan is over there. 2 swans. Look. They're coming. Nice. Cheering. Lucky nila.
You're swimming.
It's a good therapy. Hi.
You're swimming.
What is his name?
Logan.
Logan. Hello.
That's his poor little lady.
It's a good therapy for him.
Oh, yeah. When we finished, when he'd been swimming quite a bit, on the way back he walks on all 4 legs.
Oh.
You know,
Mm-mm.
he's going for a chew. Anyway, nice to meet you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, one more.
You have to be careful with the swans.
Oh,
The swans can actually drown a dog
oh really?
with a wing.
Wow,
with a wing.
my God. Oh. Good luck. Oh my God.